Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your girl, Lady B. And if you have been paying attention to my social media, you know that I am here to get you through these fall and winter months, okay? I'm about to show you a cozy dinner recipe that is going to satisfy everybody in your household. Let's get into it. Tonight, we're making coconut chicken adobo. Okay, now what is adobo? I know a lot of people recognize this word, especially when it comes to like Mexican, Tex-Mex, or Latin cuisine. And usually people think that this is a seasoning mix. However, adobo has its origins in the Philippines, and it's more so about a way of preserving the meat. So you're gonna use some soy sauce, some vinegar, and in this dish, we're also gonna add in some coconut milk. We're gonna try to keep it as close to traditional as possible. So let's start cooking. Okay, so we're gonna melt down some coconut oil and get to our aromatics. Now I added onion, you don't have to, and then I went in with about a whole head of garlic chopped, some red pepper flakes, and then some whole peppercorns. And then we're gonna let that simmer out over a medium heat for about 5 minutes to get everything nice and aromatic, open those flavors up. Then we're gonna go to our chicken. Now I started with just building up my flavor base because we're gonna end up adding soy sauce to this, so you don't want it too salty. So all I did on the chicken was smoked paprika and ginger, okay? Now, you're gonna let that render skin side down for about 5 minutes, and then you're gonna add in your liquids. We did a cup of coconut milk unsweetened, a half a cup of coconut vinegar, and then a half a cup of soy sauce. Now, I only had dark soy sauce, but you really do need to use regular. However, since I know that dark soy sauce could be very heavy, I added an extra 2 cups of water and a little bit more coconut milk to balance everything out. You're going to let everything come to a boil and then reduce the heat and let it cook on like medium low heat for about an hour, and then for 15 minutes crank it up to high to try to get that sauce to thicken up. And now it's time to assemble your bowl, honey. That chicken is going to be falling off the bone. You understand me? And I wanted to make it a complete meal, so I roasted some vegetables while everything was in the pot cooking. So we did some roasted broccoli and some roasted acorn squash. And baby, this is going to be a new classic in your home, a perfect cozy dinner recipe for these fall and winter nights. And ooh, child, look at that. Look how tender that chicken is, honey. It fall off the bone. You're going to love it, and your family will too. Try it this week and let me know what you think. Until next time, it's Lady B.